Here are 3 basic steps for SEO. Step 1. Keyword research. The first step in SEO is to conduct keyword research that involves finding the words and phrases that people are searching for related to your business or industry. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or keywordtool.io to identify high-volume, relevant keywords that you can target on your website. Step 2. On-page optimization. Once you have identified your target keywords, it's time to optimize your website's content for those keywords. This includes optimizing your website's titles, meta descriptions, header tags, and content with those target keywords. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, fast-loading, and easy to navigate. Step 3. Link building. The final step in SEO is to build high-quality backlinks to your website. This involves getting other websites to link to your site, which signals to search engines that your website is authoritative and valuable. You can build backlinks by creating valuable content, guest blogging, or reaching out to other websites in your industry to ask for a link. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process and requires continuous effort and optimization to achieve and maintain good rankings on search engines.